Like you can literally write a formula on a napkin, take a picture of the formula, you can paste that picture into their platform, and they use agentic AI to develop the transformation so that you can visualize it. It's really slick. It's very, very impressive the way they've done it.
When the people shaping the future of manufacturing call it amazing, you know it's worth seeing. Introducing Itanta AI Formula Builder. Imagine you have a first-order dissolution formula. You upload an image of it, and the AI instantly recognizes every element, constants, variables, and the exponential structure. Then, you simply map each variable to your plant's data tags. Next, consider a CPK formula. Upload an image, and the AI identifies all parameters: USL, LSL, sigma, mean, and even nested functions. You map them to the correct data points, and the formula is ready to run. From reaction kinetics to quality metrics to statistical models, the AI Formula Builder can handle the complex formulas that keep manufacturing moving. Everything extracted, everything organized. You map it once, and it works everywhere. No coding, no rebuilding complicated expressions. What used to take days now happens in seconds. Available in our latest build, visit our website to learn more.